My name's Gillon. I'm the Energy Services Manager for Gateshead Council, and behind us is Gateshead Energy Centre, which is the heart of our heat and power network, which supplies energy to public homes, buildings and commercial properties across Gateshead Town Centre as part of our strategy for heading towards a zero carbon future. Gateshead Energy Centre behind us is, as I said, the heart of our town centre and district energy network. It generates heat and power currently from gas combined heat and power engines. That is a fossil fuel, but we installed them to get the network basically off the ground. And now we're committed to then basically decarbonising the power sources and heat sources as we go. So our network serves council buildings, council homes, but also local businesses and organisations. And where we can help those organisations is, first of all, by providing low carbon and lower cost energy that's committed to get zero carbon by 2030. And importantly, it's at no premium to the customer. So they don't have to invest in plant themselves. They don't need to pay more for their energy. And that's why we've been able to provide that to local buildings and businesses. And so, for example, one of our recent offices we've opened, Riga, which has companies such as Northern Gas and Power installed. We're now providing power and heat to that building that's going to be zero carbon, and it means those companies can keep on doing what they're good at, but with the benefit that they're getting access to that zero carbon energy without any extra penalty to their business and bottom line. And that's good for the business, it's good for Gateshead, it keeps the businesses commercially viable in Gateshead, which is then good for the local economy, jobs and skills, etc. Gateshead is certainly a leader when it comes to district energy schemes. We started delivering them before a lot of the grant subsidies came out, and so we took them forward on their commercial merit and as investments that the council wanted to make itself. Going forward, we're starting to then add on innovations to that. We're fortunate in that our senior management is very committed to zero carbon and also very commercially minded. So that's why we've been able to develop multi-million-pound schemes like the one behind us. And it's just one of a number of heat networks that we already run and operate in Gateshead. But wider than heat networks, we've always been at the forefront of looking at energy efficiency support for homes, for businesses, and particularly for new technologies such as hydrogen. We're working with partners such as Northern Gas Networks, the other statutory utilities, to try and create the conditions so that hydrogen as a clean, zero carbon energy fuel can become part of that future energy mix. And we're very keen for Gateshead to be at the forefront of that new hydrogen industry as well.